Well, normally for our trainings, it's just a PowerPoint, or I would try to switch it up a little bit and use our pedal carts or the drunk goggles. But this time I wanted to do something at the beginning of the fiscal year just to start the year off right. And I had a preventative and awareness haunted house that we set up here at the PDC at White Sands. This was going to shock and will give a sense of shock and awe for everyone, so that everybody doesn't have to technically go through the same old trainings. And it also offered all training done for the fiscal year. So I did some looking around. We've known that people have done different campaigns, but nobody that we have seen has done, Army-wide, has done a preventative and awareness haunted house. But it wasn't just the haunted house, it was also classes. We had the sheriff's department, we had domestic violence here, we had somebody for sexual assault here, and the clinical base to all come and give different trainings. It wasn't just about alcohol and substance abuse or suicide awareness. I would just ask people, how they liked it, and you would get a mixture of emotions from some people who were crying because this touched home for them, and that we gave them information that they never thought about and that they were going to go home and apply this instantly. And then you have other people who were like, this was one of the best trainings that they ever had. They were happy that they weren't just stuck in front of a PowerPoint for 2 hours. Training is hard to do, especially with adults, but when you can actually get them engaged and actually give them something to walk away with as far as mentally, then I feel that the training is always going to be a success. So I'm going to build off of this and come up with different ideas and different events to get people in here to help keep them alive, drug-free, and as far away from drunk driving as possible.